Hello, everyone. This is Dr. John here. I had a patient the other day, or client the other day, virtual, and we were working on certain things. And she's currently pregnant and asked me if I could tune in and test out some things for the baby. Um, and so I did some energetic scoring from contact reflex analysis, where has an upper and lower number, and the upper number basically gives an indication, depending on what we're testing, of anything above a certain number means the body needs a detox somehow, whether chemically, whether emotionally, whether in a variety of ways. If the number is below a certain number, then it means the body needs support somewhere. And so I did a few different testings for the upcoming baby, and the overall number for the overall health was too much. So I started testing out certain supplements, certain herbs. They helped a little bit, but something else, it just wasn't where I would like it to be. So then I started seeing, okay, is the thing from an emotion? Is the thing from something chemical, eaten, inhaled, contacted? And it came up to be contacted. And I narrowed it down to cosmetics. And this person who is very conscious about what she uses, tries to do it very naturally or whatever. But I had her gather all her cosmetics that she uses, her facial routine, and then we did makeup and started testing things out. And it was sort of interesting because in the facial things, the things they were testing out that was too much for the baby were just a specific line. And then we did the makeup, and again, the ones that were testing too much for the baby were a specific line. So that doesn't mean that line would be bad for everybody and everybody who's pregnant, but it does indicate for her that there's something, even those natural ingredients, sometimes natural ingredients aren't always their optimal of just like in food, sometimes olive oil is cut with canola oil, or has a different aspect to it. It's not always the highest grade, and sometimes if the body has a different threshold, they can't handle it, and then the baby can't handle it. So we had her take those out, and it just gives an awareness that sometimes you have to be a little more conscious when you're pregnant, what you're contacting, what you're putting on your body, because what goes on your skin gets absorbed in your bloodstream. What goes in your bloodstream gets into the rest of your body, organs, and a developing baby if you're pregnant. So something to think about. I mean, especially like if you're at a gas station pumping gas, you might want a paper towel around it. For it's not to get too overly cautious about it, but petrochemicals in your bloodstream maybe not the best. But just some things to think about. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And hope everyone has a blessed day.